guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Kate Spade Cameron Bifold Zip Wallet. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If these are the kinds of videos that you like watching, I would appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below and follow me on Instagram at TrishDLF. So as some of you may know, I'm currently transitioning my SLGs into luxury SLGs. I usually collect bags when it comes to designer items, but I feel like I've currently accumulated purse piece and I feel very content with my current collection, which is why I am transitioning more into luxury SLGs for this year. So I'm probably not going to be spending so much on bags this year, but instead I'm going to be focusing on small leather goods because they're the items that I don't really have much of yet. So if you've seen my previous unboxings, I've begun to purchase luxury small leather goods. So I am trying to begin my collection of luxury SLGs, and so I wanted to do a video of my current SLG and wallet because I will probably be saying goodbye to her soon because I will be replacing her with the new SLGs that I've purchased. So yeah, I felt like I needed to review this. This is the Kate Spade Cameron Bifold wallet. I've had this wallet for 2 years so far, and it's been such a really great SLG. Ever since I was young, when it came to wallets, I always just purchased Kate Spade wallets because they were really good and sturdy. I'll give you an example. Prior to this Kate Spade SLG, I was using this Kate Spade long wallet. I'm not sure of the exact name of this wallet. It was a very old design. I've had this since like college. As you can see, like it's really beat up already. This is what it looks like inside. Yeah, it's really messy. It's really ugly with all the cards that I have. I haven't actually cleaned this out yet. This one was really handy, and the only reason that I replaced this was we went on a trip. It was inside my bag and I think water spilled in it, so this bag got wet and I felt bad that it got wet. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to use it anymore because as you can see what happened inside, like it messed up the leather a little bit, so I felt like I really needed to replace this wallet, which is why I got this new Kate Spade wallet after replacing it. So for this review, I'm just gonna begin with like the dimensions, the overall specifications of this wallet, what you can fit inside, and then towards the end I'm going to be talking about my own thoughts on this, my review on the quality and the design and everything else. So without further ado, let's first go on with the technical specs, the measurements. So on the website, I think it said like this was around 3.7 by 4.3 inches. But if you actually measure it, now that it's full, I think it's because I really used it already, so it's kind of stretched out a bit. So on the website, it's a different measurement actually, but if you measure it now, it's basically 4 by 4. So 4 inches by 4 inches. So because it stretches out a lot, you can see it's 4 inches in width, and in height it's also about 4 inches as so those are the basic measurements of it, and it's a very compact wallet as you can see. Currently I have it filled in, but I'll remove everything first so I can nicely show you guys what's inside. Okay, so this is the wallet without anything inside. I just removed everything except for the coins and my photo with my boyfriend in it. I can remove it, but my nails are currently like semi-wet still, so it's gonna ruin it if I try to pick that out. So I'll just show it like this. So for the exterior, it's just all Saffiano leather. It's in the pink, very baby pink color. It's very nice and sturdy. In the front, you're going to see just the Kate Spade plaque over there. It's very simple. At the back, you're going to see this zip coin pouch. There's a coin that's currently stuck in it, so I can't zip it all the way down, but if you do, it's just gonna go all the way down there, and then you can open it further inside, and it can actually store a lot of coins. I would say like you'd be able to fit around 100 or maybe like 80 pesos worth of coins in this. And then for the back compartment, as you can see, you have 2 compartments at the back. There's one here for the photo, and I'm sorry I didn't clean it anymore. There's just a Polaroid of me and my boyfriend. There's one slot up top, So you can either put like a photo in there or like your ID or like a metro card. So you just have to do this whenever you're in the metro. I don't use trains, so I don't have those. I'll just put a photo in there. And then there's another slot up top over here where you can put more cards. So that's the back of the wallet. And when you open it, it's just this snap button closure, as you can see. And this is what it looks like inside. So inside you have 3 card slots on your, well, looking at it from here, it's on your left. So 3 card slots on the left of the wallet, and then another 3 card slots on the right. And up top here is just your bills compartment. So for this kind of wallet, you don't have to fold your bills. If you're the type who doesn't like folding their bills, this is perfect because you just get to lay them out straight like that. I, on the other hand, fold my bills. I'm just really lazy like that, so it doesn't really matter. So there you go. That was the overview of the wallet and all the compartments that it has. Now I'm going to show you guys how I usually stuff this wallet. I do have a lot of things with me, so I apologize if my wallet is gonna be a little messy. Okay, first is my cash. So this is what I currently had in my wallet before I removed everything. And I told you guys I don't really mind like having my bills folded, because yeah, I'm just too lazy to like organize them and stuff like that. So it always just goes like this into my wallet. So it generally occupies just half of the wallet. So I have like a few bills in there. And then for that area, I have these paper. Okay, so okay, I have this receipt which I still need, and then I have my license card. My license card was never printed because when I got it renewed, the printer was always down, so I could never print my new ID card. So I just have the receipt of my renewal, always stuck with my driver's license. So I just have that. So since it's like quite big, I have to, it's like paper, so I don't put them in a card slot because it would be too bulky. So these just go with me. They're always just at the bills compartment as well. So I have, and any other paper, like if I get receipts, they instantly go to the bills compartment. And then I just have a debit card which I think is expired already, but I just leave it there anyway. I just have one debit card on one side, and then I do fill up the 3 card slots in here. I just have another debit card. I have my credit card. I think I usually put my PRC license in the 3rd one, but I lost my PRC license, so my architecture license. So it's okay, I'm gonna renew it like by December. So I'm not gonna get a new ID until then since it's already near anyway. I'll just put my village ID in there. So that's like so there, I filled up the 3. And then I just have one card slot over there. And then, what's this? Oh, I have a PhilHealth certification card. Interesting. Let's just put this here. I don't know why I have that. Okay, so that's usually what goes inside my wallet. And the back part is the most important part because all my most important, or like my everyday cards, go in this slot over here. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, and actually 2 of these cards are just like those loyalty points cards, and then the rest my Starbucks cards. So I have 5 cards, and these can all fit at the back. So this back slot is actually very convenient, and this is actually my most favorite feature of this wallet because every time I do really quick errands, a really quick errand example for me is when I go to Starbucks. So because we're all in quarantine, I just do like Starbucks runs, and all I literally bring down to the coffee shop when I go is this, and then since my Starbucks card is already preloaded, I literally just get it from here. So when I pay, I just grab this card from the back. I don't need to open the wallet anymore, and I just scan this. So that's all I do, and it's very convenient, which is why I like this back pocket a lot. So there, that was basically everything that can fit inside. So I would say for the back slot, you can fit like 5 to maybe 6, 7 cards in it. So for easy access, this is a really nice slot for the wallet. So now that I filled it in, you guys can see everything's inside. We'll talk about my overall thoughts and overview of this wallet. What I really like about this wallet is that it's very compact. This can literally fit in a lot of mini bags if you're a mini bag type of person. I think this can fit in a lot of the mini bags and the nano bags. I've actually tried putting this wallet inside the Balenciaga City Nano, like the really small one, and it fits along with my phone. So I was like, wow, like it's actually compact enough to fit in a nano bag. So I'm pretty sure this will also fit in like a Speedy Nano, and yeah, a lot of nano bags. So that's what I like about it. It's very compact, and as you can see, the material, the Saffiano leather, is very sturdy, and it's very good quality. And I can say that because I've had this Kate Spade wallet, which was also in Saffiano leather, and this one has been with me like longer than this has. And I can say, guys, like if you're looking for really beat up type leather, the leather of this is really comparable to a lot of luxury designers, of luxury houses. The only thing that I would say about the Kate Spade wallets is that, okay, the leather is perfect. Like Saffiano leather of Kate Spade is divine. You can literally throw this around everywhere and it'll still look this good. If you're looking for a wallet that you really plan on beating up, or if you're looking for a wallet that you plan to use for like 5 years, maybe 10 years, I would say that leather-wise, this is really strong and sturdy. Very good quality leather, and I'm saying that as someone who likes to collect a lot of designer bags and things. Another thing that I like about this wallet is that it's so easy to use. Because it's just like a snap button closure like that, and it just has your zip coin over here. You don't really have to think of much whenever you have to grab stuff from your wallet. Like for example, for this wallet, you have to zip it. So you have to open it all the way to get stuff. There are some wallets where it's like a flap closure, so you have to actually open it like 3 times just to be able to, because it's like an envelope, so you have to like open it like that. There's like the tri-fold wallet, which you have to open up before you're able to get your stuff in. So what I really like about this is that it's so easy. You don't even have to think about it. Actually, you don't even have to close it. You don't have to close the snap. If you're in a rush, you literally just close it. You don't really have to close the snap, and it's done. Like, it's just a one-step thing, you know, to access your stuff. So that's what I really like about it. It's very fuss-free, and you really just don't have to worry about it when you're carrying this wallet. I also mentioned that I really like the back pocket feature. I like how you're able to put like your most important cards at the back, your most used cards, and you don't really have to open anything anymore or look for the card anymore if you're doing something really quick. So I really love the functionality of this back pocket for easy access of cards that are really important to you. And of course, I also really like the back pocket for the photo. I've always been a fan of wallets with photo slots because I like photos. I like taking photos. I like saving memories. Really like having photos to see like once in a while. So that I really like that little feature over there. And finally, I like how this wallet is so small and compact, but it has all the functionalities of a regular sized wallet. So it has the bill compartment, it has the card slots, it has a coin purse. Not all compact wallets have integrated coin purses, which as you can see over there. It has a back pocket, and it even has a slot for a photo. So that's what I really like about it. It's so small but really packs a punch. It fits so much inside. Now lastly, for the wear and tear, I just want to show you guys after 2 years, this is what you would maybe expect from this wallet. Honestly, everything is really good. As I mentioned earlier, the leather on this is impeccable. Saffiano leather by Kate Spade is really like hard wearing. However, it's the glazing where it will get to you. I've only had this for 2 years, but as you can see, like the glazing everywhere else is fine. But as you can see over here, the glazing at the corner, I think that's the back area of the bill's compartment, so it's actually gone out. So as you can see, I can like flip it out, and this is the what's left of the glazing. So we can actually easily glaze this again, but yeah, just a reminder that that's something that could happen within 2 years of having a wallet like this. And it's the same for this older wallet. This is probably 5-6 years old. The glazing, there's also glazing issues on this one, but other than that, everything's been fine. It's really just the glazing that you should probably watch out for in case you do get a Kate Spade wallet. Also, if you can see, there's wear and tear as well on the zipper. So the zipper, it's already kind of tarnished, which I mean, you really can't expect perfection because this is a very like cheap wallet in comparison to other designer brands. So obviously there's going to be tarnishing pretty quick on this, especially it's not really that expensive. Everything else, the glazing everywhere else is pretty good, but again, since I mentioned that the glazing has already begun to come out at the bottom, that's something to be wary about because eventually that could happen to the entire wallet. The glazing might end up coming off in other parts, so just a warning for those considering. So for my final thoughts, I would definitely recommend this Kate Spade Cameron wallet. Honestly, if I weren't planning to transition into luxury SLGs, I would still keep this wallet because it's still very functional for me. I really love it, and you know, if it's not broken, don't fix it. That's the term for it. If it's not broken, don't replace it. But yeah, I've begun to have an interest in the luxury SLGs. That's why I'd have to say goodbye to her for a while. We'll see. I may come back to using her, but for now, I have to say goodbye. She's still really beautiful, and I would 100% recommend this wallet. I mean, I've used this for like 6 years. 5-6 years, I don't even remember anymore. And when I retired her, I replaced her with another Kate Spade wallet. So that says a lot that Kate Spade quality is really good when it comes to SLGs, and you really can't go wrong. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect wallet, Kate Spade wallet. At least those in the Saffiano leather, I 100% recommend. So yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoy this little review of the Kate Spade Cameron wallet. If you were thinking about it, I hope I was able to convince you to get this. It's a really beautiful wallet. It's so functional, it's so hard wearing, and very easy to use. So I could not recommend this wallet anymore. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I would appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, and follow me on Instagram at TrishDLF. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!